To zoom in Adobe Premiere Pro, you have to make sure that you have a clip that is already on your timeline. Now select the clip that is on your timeline and you'll have the effect controls. Now go to anchor point and position your anchor point to the point where you want to zoom in, like for example to that point. And then go to scale. You'll find that a keyframe is going to be added after you click scale. Move the playhead to the position where you want to begin the zoom in, and then increase the scale until you achieve the zoom in. Now when you play your video, so when the playhead reaches the first keyframe, it begins to zoom in and then it remains zoomed in. Now to make sure that we end the zoom in, we'll position the playhead to the point where we want to end the zoom in and add a keyframe. And then also move the playhead and add another keyframe. Now when we play our video, this is how it's going to be. So it remains zoomed in until it reaches the last two keyframes where that you added, and then it zooms out. So to make sure that it looks more professional, we are going to select the first two keyframes and then right click and ease in. And then also select the second two keyframes, right click and ease out. And then when we play our video, that's how it's going to look. And then like that, then it zooms out.